Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Mac the Trader, and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we're going to be going over my S&P trades from the 26th. And in the next video, we're going to be going over my S&P trades for the 27th. And then I'm also going to make a video today, well, later on this evening, going over my S&P trades that are going to take place during the PM session. So I have like an hour to record this video, and then I am going to be trading. Anyways, before I get into it, feel free to follow me on Twitter. We're not going to do the entire intro, in this video with the cameras and things like that, because I really want you guys to focus in on this strategy right here, right? Now, I'm not going to necessarily teach all of the ins and outs of this strategy publicly, but I will give you guys enough to be able to produce the results, right, on your own. Now, for those students who want to take it to the next level, I am going to be doing a masterclass, and I am going to be releasing a course very soon that is going to have all of the ins and outs that I look for and things like that, and gems to help you guys along the way, right? For those of you who don't know me, my name is Mac. I've been trading for over 3.5 years, almost 4 years. It'll be 4 years in about 2 months. I strictly just trade price. I no longer trade currency. I mean, most of my channel has been about currency, but I am no longer trading currency. My main focus is now the index market, right? And that's just just growth and leveling up as a trader. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the breakdown of these trades. Following me on Twitter, like I said before, you may want to. Okay, here's my @TrillionaireMac. All right, feel free to follow me on Twitter, turn on post notifications, because I'm going to start until I release the course. Right, it's going to give me incentive to release the course, because until I release it, I'm going to be dropping basically my trades publicly. Okay, now because I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not going to necessarily give you guys numbers and enter here, exit there, but I'll be showing you guys and telling you guys what I'm doing, and then you guys can feel free to take advantage. Now, starting out down here, okay, we're gonna stay on the M5 time frame because if I keep switching back and forth, I don't want to lose my place, and I have multiple charts that are on replay because I'm recording all day today. So we're just gonna stay here on the M5 time frame. However, you can always feel free to pull up your charts and things like that and mark them up right along with us. So here we had M15 relatively equal lows. Okay, we had this low here, and then we had an M15 pullback off of that low there, right? So for London session, essentially what I wanted to see is for price to sweep those lows, right? Tap into this M15 imbalance, which is here, and then start to give me some type of bullish indication, right? Now, if we zoom in just a little bit, right, we can see that price does indeed mitigate and balance out this imbalance previously. That was on the M15. We sweep this liquidity here with that nice move to the downside, right? So we can see we have a swing high here. That swing high was taken out with this nice bullish move, right? Even this candle here sweeps liquidity below these resting equal lows on the M5 before moving to the upside. Price then trades back into this region here, this imbalance, and then we have a nice run to the upside. Now, those of you who follow me on Instagram, I actually posted this trade on my Instagram story, 1, 2, 3, when we were right here within this area, right? Because this was the M15 candle that closed, and then we had another M15 candle open, and it tagged us at our target here for about 358 pips, only risking 56 pips on this trade. 6.35% return on investment, not bad. Now for the sell opportunity, I did not get into the sell opportunity. I was trying to. This was my sell limit here, but we're going to go over why I was not tagged in. From the runs, okay, from Frankfurt Open, we pushed to the upside, and London session for retail traders, for most retail traders, started around this candle here. So this is the 3 a.m. candle. I start trading around 2 a.m. when Frankfurt opens, but you can wait till 3 a.m. if you would like to wait for more volume to come into the market. So 3 a.m. is here. We push to the upside and we sweep this H1 high here, right? So we have a draw on this liquidity. Once we have a draw on that liquidity there, okay, price gives us this funny business. We form this swing low here, and then price takes out that swing low, right? When price takes out that swing low, we can see that we have imbalance here within the market, and this is where I wanted to see price trade towards in order for me to look for sells. Now, if you look here at 344, okay, I said, should we sell the S&P now? And then I said, I will if price is willing. So why did I tweet this? Because this is something like that my students would ask me, right? Should we sell this now? Should we sell that now? And then this is the response I would give anyone who was wondering what we should do at with the S&P. As you guys will see, my tweets are usually going to be a two-part series. One is going to have my bias, okay? And then one is going to have information that deals with my entry, right? So bias and entry, bias and entry. And that's usually how my tweets go. So that was, I tweeted that out at this bullish candle here, okay? And that was because we had swept buy side liquidity here, okay? And at this bullish candle, based on the lower time frame, that is when I was anticipating the market to turn around. So as you can see, the market did in fact turn around. We took out this swing low here. All right, once that swing low was taken out, okay, this very next candle, okay, which was this candle, okay, I gave you guys a price level, $3,696.68, right? So that price level is right here, $3,696.68. Price pushed back to the upside. And remember, this tweet was tweeted within this candle right here, right? So price traded down 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes traded away from this region, okay? But that's all a part of trading. I did have people, contact me, hey, Mac, it looks like, for about half an hour, we've been pushing to the downside. Are you still looking for price to return to that level? Trading is really, really all about patience. So we can see price then rallies, pushes to the upside, is about to tap into this region, doesn't quite tap into this region, and then rolls over, right? So I actually missed this trade by literally spread. That's it. But it's all a part of the, so unfortunately wasn't able to catch almost 800 pips, but all is well regardless. Beautiful, beautiful setup, okay? Almost 800 pips were able to be collected. Now these moves I didn't actually take, so we're not actually going to go over them because they're not very excellent moves, which is why I didn't take them. This was an entry opportunity for New York, but the target was this high. As you can see, the high was ran, but there was just nothing for us to do. And then this was a sell that I took, posted on Instagram. I didn't actually tweet about it, but I did post this on Instagram for you guys to check out and things like that. This produced about 268 pips. Not bad. Overall 4.23% return. Not bad at all, right? So in the next video, right, we're going to get into this trade here. All right, we're going to break it down. As you guys can see, part 1, part 2, bias and entry, right? Very, very similar to the previous day, right? And I'm going to keep this up as long as the course has not been released. Once the course releases, so you guys can see the accuracy, you guys can see me apply it, things like that. Once the course is released, then I will be trading live, okay? Like you'll be able to trade live with me, but it won't be free, right? But everything I'm doing right now is going to be free on Twitter, and I might even start doing it within the Telegram. Actually, yeah, I'm going to do it within the Telegram. So stay tuned. Much love, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.